What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to That Sounds Terrible. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at the Fishman Fluence Willy Adler pickups. Now, I'm not going to demo the pickups themselves specifically. What we're going to do is I'm going to take the pickups out, well, the neck pickup, and on the back side of the pickup, I'll put a picture up here in a minute. And what it does, there's two solder pads. When you bridge that together, it activates the high frequency tilt, and that helps darken the pickups up as if they were passives. I don't like active pickups. I'm not a big fan of them, but I wanted to try something different on this build. So when we got together with Royce over at Deviant Guitars, we chose the Willy Adler set mostly for the aesthetics, but because I was going to go with the active pickups. Something different and something new, something fresh. But they are a lot brighter than I was anticipating. So I'm going to activate that high frequency tilt on the back, and hopefully that's going to darken it up. So just in this video, what we'll do is I'm going to play on the clean channel and the crunch channel on the knucklehead reverb. We're going to activate voice 1 and 2 on both pickups, and we'll also split the neck pickup into a single coil. So we have the bridge volume, push-pull will activate voice 1 and 2, and the neck volume, push-pull, will split the neck pickup only. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see how it sounds. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to take the strings off. We're going to pop the neck pickup out. We're going to throw that copper tape on. I'll throw a picture of it up. And then we'll put it back in. We'll tune them up. Same strings, same everything. I'm going to measure the height of the pickup with my string gauge. And then we'll do another test. We'll see how it sounds. All right, be right back. All right, so we've got the copper tape in place. I don't remember if I took a picture or not. If I take a picture, I'll throw it up on the screen. But super simple to do. Mine are direct mount, so I was able to actually use the foam underneath to help hold it in place. But let's go. Well, there you have it. The high frequency tilt on the Fishman Fluence Willy Adler set. Now, how do I feel about it? So I don't really like actives. I've said that numerous times. I do have a baritone over there with EMGs. I do like the EMG headset, but after doing this high frequency tilt, the pickups have a different feel to them. In the manual, it says it has more of a passive response. I can definitely agree with that, at least comparing it to how they were beforehand. So I definitely like these much better now than before. I don't know how well it's going to come out using the ISO cab. Hopefully it translates a little better. They don't seem as brittle in the high end on the top. So I'm going to keep it with the tilt on for now. And we're going to go through it, film a bunch of videos, and we'll see how well it does. We'll see if they grow on me. And if not, then maybe we'll look at changing them out. We'll see what kind of new pickups are out there that might fit the fancy, or go with another custom set from another company. So in the meantime, tell me what you guys think. Were you guys able to hear any kind of difference between the before and after with the high frequency tilt? I didn't even know that was an option on these pickups. I had reached out to Royce, and I told him I was going to put a capacitor on the, because I don't run any tone knobs, so I was going to run a cap on it just to kind of darken them up some, and he's actually the one that told me to do it. So and for the record, the instructions on how to wire the Willy Adler set is actually wrong. Royce pointed that out to me as well. It does show a blue wire is supposed to be connected to a ground, and that is supposed to be what grounds the point to enable the high frequency tilt. That is actually incorrect. That is your single coil split. Now, in order to get the bridge pickup to split, you do have to solder another set of pads. They are much farther apart, and I'm not going to do that. I don't really split my bridge. I pretty much only prefer humbuckers in the bridge position. But anyways, absolutely pleased so far with the way it sounds. So like I said, we're going to keep it this way. We're going to see if it grows on me, and we'll go from there. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Hopefully you guys could hear it. I could definitely feel a difference. So anyways, we'll catch you on the next one.